Hello, today I'm in Ssangyong Korando. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, you can use it once by pulling it upwards. Use it in auto mode by pulling it one downwards. And also you can adjust speed of the auto mode between slow and fast. Next, you can use it in low mode and in the end in high mode. To turn it off, set it to off position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.